Welcome to Crazy Dash Cam, where we'll explore a serious issue affecting society: traffic accidents. Every year, millions of people around the world endure loss and pain from these incidents. Are you sure you're following traffic laws? Let's raise awareness together, understand the causes, and discover ways to prevent accidents so that every journey can be safer. Let's get started. A normal day suddenly turned into a nightmare when this pickup truck decided to overtake everyone. With its dizzying speed, the driver not only violated traffic laws but also threatened the lives of many people. Despite being signaled to stop by the police, the driver showed no intention of stopping the fight. It was time for drastic action.
Pass the main floor, speed to 45.
The surrounding cars had to swerve, brakes screeching. Every second that passes, the risk of an accident increases. Can anyone stop this pursuit?
County cars update on your location. 65. Continuing through layout on 65. Brighton City Store.
The pickup swerved, lost control, and crashed into a Lexus in the oncoming lane. It crashed and accelerated. 1 second ago, the driver thought he could get out, but now everything has changed. Close-up of the car and arrest of the driver. When it's all over, all that's left are painful memories and a valuable lesson in obeying traffic laws. A moment can lead to systems that don't shake. Don't let a moment of loss of control cost you. Drive safely and responsibly. Together, let's make travel safer for everyone. This video was captured by a public camera. The driver likely pressed the accelerator by mistake, causing the vehicle to surge forward and crash directly into the car parked in front. Lily was startled when the car in front was parked in the lane for straight-going vehicles.
I just hurt my fucking ankle really bad.
He's like, he's the coach of that swim team.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Why do they prefer to turn while in the outer lane?
Oh god.
We almost got into it.
I don't understand why the red car is parked in the middle of an intersection. Speeding combined with the car in front changing lanes abruptly led to the vehicle losing control and crashing into the median.
Yeah, he marched the brick gap.
400 meters, sharp right.
The e-bike rider indirectly caused this serious collision. Then he rode away as if nothing had happened. It's amazing that no one was injured. The clip was recorded by Lisa's camera, showing the car speeding away as it was chased by the police. It then flipped over while turning at that high speed. An accident occurred when this car was speeding and had limited visibility. Driving at high speed is really dangerous, especially when it's raining and the road is slippery.
Puta madre, güey.
The driver of this SUV may have been intoxicated while driving. He first crashed into the grass on the side of the road, and after returning to the main lane, He continued to move forward, eventually causing a collision with another car in his lane.
Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you. Join our community and let's explore more new things together.
A convoy of modified cars was stopped by the police while revving loudly. Oh my God! Davis was driving when a huge storm hit, with strong winds and heavy rain pouring down. His visibility quickly became limited, leaving only a few meters in front of him. Please help me identify which vehicle made the wrong move in this situation. Just 1 second of reckless driving from the pickup truck caused the white car to swerve, crash into a utility pole, and flip over. While driving at high speed, he lost control while trying to avoid a car in front of him.
Whoa! Holy shit. Whoa!
Cassette era classic rock.
Jesus!
Sirius XM's Classic Rewind.
Yeah, they're a little shaken up.
झुलसुल लिएर गएको छ कि त्यही पाइन्छ कि के हुन्छ ठोकायो गाडी ल्याएर मेरो गाडीमा
This car is moving at a speed of about 130 kilometers per h. The car suddenly swerved. The driver tried to regain control, but at such a high speed, it was difficult to control the steering wheel. According to the regulations, the car lost control and crashed into the median strip. The trailer became unhitched from the towing vehicle and started moving freely on the road. Fortunately, the driver noticed in time and was able to take action. The blue sports car skidded and crashed into a row of trees along the roadside while turning at high speed. In a humorous situation, the sedan entered the blind spot of the truck, getting pushed along for a bit while the owner continuously signaled for the truck driver to stop, but to no avail. Eventually, it seemed the truck driver sensed something was off when the vehicle had trouble moving. He finally stopped and got out to check the situation.
Very nice. Whoa.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Okay, Garmin, save video.